In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Smartsheet. Whether you're working on a team project or managing your personal tasks, Smartsheet's versatile platform can help organize your workflow efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get you started on creating a new sheet. First things first, you'll want to navigate your way to the Home panel. This is where you will find a comprehensive overview of your existing sheets, workspaces, and folders within Smartsheet. To access the Home panel, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation bar there. Simply click on the Home icon, which resembles a little house, and this will open up the Home panel for you. It's your primary hub for all things Smartsheet, making it a great starting point as you embark on creating a new sheet. Once you're in the Home panel, it's time to initiate the creation of your new sheet. Smartsheet offers a couple of ways to do this, allowing you to choose what feels most intuitive for your workflow. One way is to direct your attention to the top of the Home panel. Here, you'll see a plus icon, also referred to as the plus icon. Click on this, and it will instantly open up the Creation menu. This menu will guide you through specifying the details for your new sheet. If you're using a different method or just prefer working with right-click options, Smartsheet has you covered. Instead of clicking the plus icon, you can right-click anywhere within the Home panel itself. Doing so will bring up a context menu, offering various commands. From this menu, you'll want to select Create. It's the same end result, another smooth path to open up the Creation menu. Whether you choose the plus icon or the right-click route, you're now on your way to setting up a new, fully customizable Smartsheet. Take a moment to consider how you want to structure your new sheet. Think about the types of tasks you'll be tracking or projects you'll be managing. Your goals for the sheet will guide you in deciding which templates or settings might work best for your needs. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering Smartsheet and unlocking greater productivity. Leveraging tools like these can make managing your projects so much smoother and more efficient. Don't forget, if you need to make further customizations or adjustments to your sheet, Smartsheet is designed to be flexible and user-friendly, allowing you to tailor it as you evolve through different projects or tasks. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to create a new Smartsheet with confidence. Happy managing!